Why does your scanner show the P0693 engine code? What does it mean? P0693 is a diagnostic trouble code for Fan 2 control circuit low. This error code indicates it means your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, or ECU, has detected abnormally low voltage in the electrical circuit that controls the secondary radiator cooling fan. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blown fuse or relay, damaged wiring or connections, faulty fan motor, bad fan control module, failed coolant temperature sensor (ECT). Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, Chevrolet, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.